Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, June 17th. Real choppy type day. There was some economic numbers that came out at 8:30, so we kind of traded. We had to trade around them. We did have some from last night as well. All eyes are on the Fed tomorrow. The Fed's meeting on interest rates, so you could expect the choppiness. Our end result: we had 3 trades, lost 3.8 pips. Not a big deal at all. Just so choppy to trade, and we'll show you. We'll go over to 3 trades in no particular order. First trade you're looking at here is Singapore dollar to the Japanese yen. We got a signal to go short this 81.398. It goes in our favor right off the bat, but only a matter of a few pips, and that's on the bid side. So on the offer side, we're pretty much even, maybe up a pip or half a pip or something like that. And it reverses, and once it takes out these tops, it's the area to cover. So we covered right around there, 81.47. So we lost 7.3 pips. It was a pretty easy trade to handle. It was just choppy. Next trade you're looking at here is Euro US dollar. We got a signal to go long, 1.35829. Obviously the calculation here is it's breaking out. There's double tops here from the last few days. It's breaking above that. A good bet there that it's going to run. It just completely reverses. Literally a half an hour later, it just starts to fall down and reverse. And we lost 13.1 pips. We were hoping it would hold the 1.3570 level, which is basically these bottoms, or maybe that's a little bit higher, maybe about 1.3571. It just couldn't do it, and once it started to break it, we just got out. We lost the 13.1 pips. Again, not a big deal. It's just so choppy. If the market's not choppy, this thing runs, and maybe you make 8, 10, 15, 20 pips on that run. The Euro Australian dollar, nice signal here, really. 1.44988. It's buying into the strength. You can see she wants to run north. It take a few hours to consolidate, but then once it took out the even, the figure 1.45000, which is the figure, you could figure she's going to pop these bottoms here from this consolidation from the few hours there. Figure 1.4484 level. If it was to break that, we would have been out. So you're going to give this thing down to 1.44, 83, 82, 81, 80 level. So you're risking no more than, say, 19 pips. Layup of a trade. It never did that, obviously, as you see there. And then once it took out the figure, it started to run. Picked up 16.5 pips. It did run higher. It ran all the way up almost to 25. Another 10, call it 9 to 10 pips higher from where we got out. But we'll take it after struggling from the other 2 trades. So overall, like I said, 3 trades, lost 3.8. Not a big deal. If it wasn't so choppy, we probably would have made money. This was a decent trade. This wasn't as choppy as the other 2. So you take those days and you move on. Tomorrow's the Fed number, so if anyone's trading that, you got to be really careful. What else? If any signals come out, the rest of today they'll be going out. And that's it. We're going to wrap it up. So have a great rest of your day trading, and good luck.